Hi, this is Jay Jenkins of Pearson Education, and thank you for watching this video. As you may know, Appling Biochemistry, Concepts and Connections 2nd edition will be publishing this spring 2018. And one of the things we've learned from talking to you on campus is that the biochemistry course can really be impacted when students come into class lacking the prerequisite skills needed to be successful in the class. Now, these skills are supposed to be acquired in previous courses, but sometimes the students sit down in the classroom and they don't have them. Whether they've forgotten them, didn't learn them in a previous course, or whatnot, without those skills, success is not imminent. So inside the Mastering Chemistry course, we're including a new feature called Threshold Concept Tutorials. And these Threshold Concept Tutorials really aim at going at those barriers of success. Each of these topics that we've chosen were all basically taken from the research that we found inside of the Journal of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology Education. And what I'd like to do right now is take you through one of them to show you what they can do. So this particular threshold concept deals with water and solutions. The tutorial will start with a setup. And so inside this blue box, the information that the student will need in order to be successful with the questions below is all laid out for them. So they can read through, they can go over to the periodic table, constants, and so forth. And then once they're ready to attack the content and the questions, they can scroll down. And as we can see, we have a drag and drop question here. And I'm going to go really quickly and answer incorrectly. And hit submit. And of course, one of the important features inside of mastering is that when students give wrong answers, we give wrong answer feedback. And this feedback is there to guide them back to the correct answer. Now, if this doesn't help me get to the correct answer, there are also hints available. And one of the nice things we've done with the new hints inside of mastering is that we've put them all in line with the questions. So there's no more going out to another window or opening up in a new box. Everything that the student needs is right here. This particular hint is a Socratic hint, so students actually have to answer more questions in order to get the feedback and information that they need. Once they've done that, they can always come back to the bottom and answer the question correctly. And once we answer it correctly, so gas, gas, liquid, gas, you can see we still get feedback, and this feedback is telling us why what we chose is correct. And as we scroll down, we'll see another part, and then you'll see other parts that are hidden. The reason why we often hide parts is that these parts would actually lead students to the correct answer above. So until they answer these questions or request an answer, we typically will keep these hidden. But once they've requested the answer or answered it correctly, these will open up. Again, these threshold concept tutorials are really aimed at trying to get the student deep into the concept so that they can understand it and get over that barrier of not understanding these chemistry skills. So we're going to ask the student to do a little bit of drawing. And I'm just going to draw a quick couple bonds here. And show you a little bit about how simple our drawing tool is. Okay, and then I'm going to come around and change these. Oops. Back that up. Change these carbon, hydrogen, 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 and let's change the way that this goes and submit our answer. And as you can see, I got it correct, and I get some feedback, and I can move forward to the next drawing. And so again, all of the threshold concept tutorials are aimed at those really important threshold concepts that give students the most trouble, and an aim to try to get them over those barriers and be successful in the course. If you'd like more information on these threshold concept tutorials or anything else to do with the Appling Biochemistry textbook, please reach out to your rep or your learning technology specialist. We're here to help. Again, thank you for watching the video, and we hope you have a great day.